Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my tutorial. I'm Senitech Emmanuel, and I'm the CEO of Senitech Media. So now we're going to be doing a tutorial today on a simple flyer, a pizza flyer, but it's a vegetarian pizza. So I want to create something. I want to create something simple for you guys to understand about today's tutorial. Now you're going to need to download a vegetarian pizza, and mind you, when you're downloading those images, look for a beautiful and a sexy image, since maybe you don't know how to use Photoshop to say okay, let you edit it, or you don't have Photoshop Lightroom to work on the colors. But look for the one that have been worked on, but not the one that have been used to design jobs, but the one that have been edited that looks very nice. So I have one here on my desktop. I've downloaded it. Look at it here. So I'll open it, and you see it. This is a very nice one. You see how beautiful and how attractive it is. So you're going to be doing a very simple design. This time around, you don't need to kill yourself with a lot of things. It's going to be very simple, and trust me, you're going to really enjoy this class. So let's get started. So let's set our page size to A5, landscape. So remember to double click on the rectangular tool to give you the exact shape of your background, your workspace. So we'll power clip, right click, power clip inside. Now you see it. So remember, if you are using the higher version of CorelDRAW, you can use your alternate key and click on the image to edit the power clipped image from outside your workspace. But if you are using CorelDRAW like 230, I don't know about 214, but 230 mostly, Corel X3, trust me, it won't be able to do it. You have to edit the power clip by going to the effect and the status bar. Then you will now get the power clip or edit power clip. So now let me enlarge it to fit into my stuff. That's good. I should bring it up a bit. Should bring it in. I need to get some part of the stuff here. That's okay. So let me work on the color a bit. The saturation. And now the brightness is let's say the shine. You can see how it's shining now. So that is it. So, and you know what goes, we are talking about pizza, a vegetarian pizza, something that vegetarians can take. Now, what color is a vegetarian or a vegetable? Because when you are designing your job, you need to be very observant with your colors. Don't choose colors that will go off the context of what you are doing. So now, vegetarian colors are always green. So we're going to be adding something down here. So when you're adding it, with the rectangular tool, drag it, and I give it a green color. Nice one. Let's check throughout the green color to know the one we need. Let's use this. So remove the outline. Now always remember to save your jobs. So we're going to be saving our vegetarian pizza. Now it's saved. So bits, I'm bring it in a bit. This adding something to it to show some part of the images on it. Okay, I convert to bitmap, RGB. It's gonna be a web flyer, but if it's a print, the one you're going to print, you're going to need to use CMYK. I believe you should know that. So now I'm going to be using the shape tool to give it some little designs. I'll convert it to curve. Then click here by creating nodes. I'll be creating nodes. Now remember, if you have confusion about anything, remember to send in your question to me. I'll be very happy to treat them. So now let's give it a kind of a design. You can create yours. This is your job, this is your work, so you can do anything you want. You are doing something here, you need to create it. It doesn't look perfect, right? Don't worry, we'll find out something now. So we'll now we'll drag our ruler here to this node and we'll drag it here. So we need to maintain the size, everything, the proportion and everything. So we'll drag it down a bit and click. Hope you can see it. Drag this one down. There. Click. That is one. So I'm doing this thing quite quick so that you can try out your own. But remember, you can make your own shape to be like tiny and multiple to look nice. It's your work, it's your choice, it's what you want it to look like. So remember to create something that is very elegant. So create something here, delete the guidelines. Hope you can see it now. So now we're going to be putting some write-up on it, and from here I'm zooming. Healthy food restaurant. Alright, give it a color. I have a font that I think should work out on it. That is another day in paradise already here waiting for me. Wow. So center it, shape to bring it up a bit. Wow. So let's increase our font. It's an healthy food. Vegetables are very healthy for our body. So you can find out that the white color is fighting with the background. So what do we do now? What's the next thing? You don't need to suffer, you don't need to start looking for color. So you have to do, just give it a shadow. The shadow will work out very nice on it. Let's increase the opacity. Let's select the dark one. You see the magic, right? Find out that wow, it's coming out already. You can still remember to power clip if you feel like you don't want it to exceed your workspace, and because sometimes shadow used to make some jobs you look as if it has exceeded its workspace. So hope you've seen it. So if you have any logo, maybe you can add your logo here. Just add your logo here. If you have any logo, you can add your logo. Then let's just add some little write-ups to it. Get your discount coupon at let's say 5,000 naira. Remember, we are Nigerians, but if you are not in Nigeria, you're watching or you're from Africa, remember you can use your country's listing to do it. 5,000. Now let me give my country, our logo is naira, the double strike through. So text properties. If you want to know how to add it, just go to text properties, then you click here on this character strike through. You now see double thin line. This thing. You can see it has given it. So maybe we'll change the font to kind of look more work to. Hope you are getting this. Yes. It's now looking nice. F4. Added it. let's add a little gradient to our color here to make it look nice. That's a good one. And we can still send in this thing, because I would like to give it a shadow for our clip, and let's try and see what the shadow will look like. Let's give it a shadow. Let's see how it will look like. Let me use this. Let's know if it's gonna add any little effect to it, because I think this is a class where you just try out something, you feel like I can do this. Let's try how it be. It's your work. You have to try out everything. You can say, wow, it's looking nice. Also remember to save your jobs. So now, one last thing, we said we are dealing on vegetarian pizza, so let's add a star, a multiple star. Yes, we have a 33 number here. The digit here is 33. I think that should be a good one. Now let me increase it. I want to make the ends very tiny. As you can see with my shape tool, I'm working on that. And give it a color. You can find out that is a good one. So we now give it vegetarian pizza. Wow. Vegetarian pizza. Bring it in here with the color. Break the text. Control K. Let's work on it. Let's maintain it. This is the vegetarian pizza. You can decide to bring it closer. It depends, it's your choice. Remember, it's your work, but don't create something that is absorbed. Create something that is very pleasing to the eye. Something that when people see, they will love it. So let's give it a gradient. You can just decide to give it a feel, gradient feel. We make here lighter and here darker. So we'll copy it by holding the right part of it. That is the right click of your mouse. You drag it to the other one. Once it shows you this, you release your hand and you copy the fill to it. As simple as that. So let's give our this some shadow. It's beginning to make sense. Yes. Now I think this is the end. Now, as you can see, this is a simple flyer. You found out that you are only able to get the image of the pizza, and it's very simple and nice. If you have any other information that you want to add to it, you can add it to it. If you have any modification, maybe you don't want the pizza to be up, you want the pizza to be sideways, you can do it. Just try to create something with this little concept which I've showed you by using your shape tool and the image. Remember to download the very good image, but if you are very good with Lightroom or Photoshop, try to work on the color on it. But the reason why I didn't use it here is because I don't want someone that doesn't know how to use it to get confused. And I think this is the end of the tutorial, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and click the bell icon to get more information and more alert and notification on new videos. And invite your friends, invite your family, people you think that want to grow up in learning these graphics. Invite them to watch this video with you, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.